Today I'm going to teach you how to edit subject line in Outlook Classic. This is incredibly useful when you need to correct a typo in an important email or want to update the subject to better reflect the conversation as it evolves. Let's walk through this simple process step by step. First things first, you'll want to open your Microsoft Outlook app. Once it launches, log into your account and give it a moment to load all your emails. This initial step ensures that you have access to all your correspondence and can locate the specific email you want to modify. Depending on your connection speed and the size of your mailbox, this might take a few seconds, so just be patient while everything syncs up properly. Now that your emails have loaded, it's time to navigate to the inbox pane. This is where all your received messages are stored. From here, browse through and select the email whose subject line you wish to change or edit. Once you've found it, double-click on that email to open it in a new window. Opening the email in its own window is crucial because it gives you full access to all the editing features you'll need for making changes. With the email now open in front of you, you'll notice that editing the subject line is actually quite straightforward. Simply click on the existing subject line at the top of the email to highlight it. Once it's highlighted, go ahead and delete it by pressing the Delete or Backspace key on your keyboard. Now you have a clean slate to work with. Type in your new subject line, making sure it accurately reflects the content or purpose of the email. This is your chance to be clear and concise, ensuring your recipient understands exactly what the email is about at first glance. After you've entered your new subject line and you're satisfied with how it looks, it's time to send the updated email to your recipient. To do this, simply locate and click on the Send button. This will dispatch the email with your newly edited subject line, effectively replacing or updating the previous version in your recipient's inbox. The process ensures that your communication remains clear and professional, with subject lines that always match the content of your messages. And there you have it. You've successfully edited a subject line in Outlook Classic, making your email communication more accurate and effective. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.